Bella. Got that cough, don't you? Got a little cough there. You ain't feeling too good. Why is it? You got the poop cough, don't you? Yeah, you ate the poop, didn't you? Bella's like, you sick dog. He ate the fucking poop. Oh, you ate the poop, man. I'm gonna tell you, you shouldn't eat poop. That's nasty. This shit. Now you're coughing. You're sick. Come on, look at. Oh yeah, Got the poop cough. Your mouth. You just a nasty, disgusting dog. Shameful. I think, P. Kitten. I think it was your poopy, wasn't it? Say probably so.